Look at this dessert we're making today. Stick around, you won't regret it. In a saucepan, add 270 grams of sugar. Let it caramelize, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. That's perfect. Now in a bowl, add 3 eggs, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 180 grams of sugar. Whisk it well until the sugar dissolves and you get a smooth texture. Next, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Keep mixing to incorporate. Now pour in 240 milliliters of milk and stir. Using a sieve, add 330 grams of all-purpose flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix until the batter comes together with the right consistency. And just like that, it's perfect. Now grab a rectangular baking pan and start by pouring the caramel, spreading it evenly across the bottom. On top of the caramel, place slices of pineapple. Finally, pour the batter over everything, spreading it evenly. Now just bake it for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you flip it out of the pan, it's all joy. Just look at how beautiful it turns out. The caramel combined with the pineapple creates a flavor your taste buds will have to experience to believe. So don't waste any time, give it a try. It's easy to make and will impress anyone who tastes it. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, leave a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more cake ideas like this one. Comment below and tell us what occasion you'll make this dessert for. Thank you for watching and see you next time.